Rate of reaction. Definition of rate of reaction: changing the concentration of any one of the reactants or products per unit time is known as a rate of reaction. During chemical reaction, reactants are converted into the products. So, the rate of reaction tells us how fast chemical reaction is taking place by indicating how much of reactants is consumed or how much of the product is obtained in a given time. Now see example of concentration of reactant A is converted into concentration of product B. Let us understand above reaction through the graphics. Before start of chemical reaction, suppose we have 10 molecules of reactant A. At that time, we don't have product B. Now start the reaction and observe the product after interval of time. Suppose after 1 minute it is observed that reactant A are converted into product B. Out of 10 molecules of reactants A, one of them are converted into product B. Again, after 2 minutes, it is observed that reactant A are converted into product B. Out of 9 molecules of reactant A, one of them are converted into product B. After 3 minutes, reactant A are converted into product B. Out of 8 molecules of reactants, one of them are converted into product B. Thus, after 4 minutes, 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 7 minutes, so on, reactants are converted into products. Finally, after 10 minutes, total number of reactants are completely converted into the product B. So from these graphics we can say that decreasing the concentration of reactant A and increasing the concentration of product B with the given time. A rate of this reaction may be equal to the rate of disappearance of reactant A, which is equal to the rate of appearance product B. A rate of reaction is equal to rate of disappearance of reactant divided by time taken. Rate of reaction is equal to rate of appearance of product divided by time taken. Mathematically, rate of reaction is equal to minus d by dt with change in the concentration of reactant A. rate of reaction is equal to plus d by dt with change in the concentration of product B, where small d represent infinitesimally small change in the concentration. Negative sign indicate the concentration of reactant decreases. Positive sign indicate increasing in the concentration of product B. I hope you got it, the concept of rate of reaction.